Making $10,000 with ChatGPT, guys. If you haven't been living under a rock, you would know what ChatGPT is. It's actually one of the most craziest softwares I've ever seen on planet Earth. And you can become a millionaire just using ChatGPT, I guarantee you. Just for the people that don't know what ChatGPT is, it's basically an automation tool that helps you write things, but basically giving a command. If you tell the ChatGPT, that's like a automation tool, you tell them, hey, write a story about a kid selling lemons down the street and then getting hit by an alligator. I don't know. They'll write a full narration of that specific thing that you just told him to write about. So now think about that. Now, let's say, for example, a client has paid you $1,000 to write all the information about his websites or about his copy for his website funnel, sales pitch, whatever. You say, hey, ChatGPT, help me write a persuasive paragraph of why someone should join a training program or a training coaching program from a trainer that lives in California that is selling his program. I don't know, something like that. So you basically get the ChatGPT to write you a persuasive paragraph. And then at that point, you present it to the dude and be like, hey, do you like this? No? Boom. You go back to ChatGPT, fix the problems that he doesn't like, and then get it again. So at that point, you're having a robot do the work for you. It costs $0, right? It literally costs, it's $0 freaking dollars. The ChatGPT just builds the freaking paragraphs. All you gotta do is just keep presenting it to the guy and until he freaking likes it. Now at that point, you're basically a copywriter, but you're using an artificial intelligence to do the work for you. Now imagine if you had 10 clients that all paid you $500, $1,000 every single month to handle all of their copywriting for their websites, their emails, everything. At that point, you're gonna make disgusting amounts of money because this money keeps flowing right into your bank account. All you gotta do is just write things on freaking ChatGPT. The next thing you know, you're sending it over to your clients. Your clients are freaking so happy, like, oh my God, Steven's the best freaking marketer ever. Now guys, start a ChatGPT agency. Thank me freaking later. If you wanna learn how to do it, click the link in my bio. I'll get on a call with you. I'll show you how to do it for free.